Little quick update on Kanji Sushi. We are at the construction site. Behind me, right there, is where the sushi bar will be actually located. And this is where the actual beverage bar will be located. And I'm standing right at the edge of the dining room. And right there is where the hostess stand and the main entry is. And way back there is the back entry for the deliveries and things like that. It's coming along, a little bit behind I think, but not surprised with the current situation with the whole construction delays that everybody is facing. It's coming around, and Woodhouse Spa, really high-end spa, is actually happening right behind me. So the clientele that we're gonna be sharing will be ideal to Kanji Sushi. The restaurant will have about 60 to 70 seats total. So it's not going to be a really big restaurant, but I think that is just ideal size for the sushi bar. And it's coming along. It is a little hot out here today, but has plenty of shade in here. It's 12:30 and we're not getting as much of the sun coming inside the building, which is good. It will keep the building or inside the restaurant a little bit cooler. So that's a good news. So we'll see how things go. We'll keep you updated.